Hi, this is Fred from 4x4shop.ca. Today we install OEM Fit running boards for a 2017 Toyota RAV4. This is the latest model that we have. It comes with the RAV4 logo at the front. It's a really nice blending. Your running boards as soon as possible before they sold out. Thank you. For Range Rover Sport HSE, it's a 2015. Hi, this is Fred from 4x4shop.ca. Today we did 2014 Audi Q7.
Prepárate! Prepárate! Get ready! Get! Brilla! Ahí!
type of running boards, you can go to our website 4x4shop.ca and you can order it online. Right now we have special deals. Free shipping to all states in United States and also free shipping to all provinces in Canada. Thank you. Hi, this is Fred from 4x4shop.ca. Today we did a 2016 GLE 350 AMG. We did the OEM running boards for it. If you're interested to get these type of running boards, you can just simply go to our website 4x4shop.ca and order it online, or you can just give us a call 905-604-4294. Thank you and have a great day. Hi, this is Fred from 4x4shop.ca. We install running boards for 2012 Mercedes Benz 350. Interested to get these type of running boards, you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. We do have a promotion right now, free shipping to all over US and Canada. So you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. From 4x4shop.ca. Today we did a running board for 2014 Range Rover. As you can see, this is the OEM Fit running board. It perfectly fit the body of the car without adding any extra screws or bolts or any extra holes in the car. Even it has a nice finish like Range Rover name on it. In these type of running boards, you can go directly to our website and purchase one of these pair of running boards at www.4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. We are located in Toronto. Any question, give us a call. One of our customer support people will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day. Hi, this is Fred from 4x4shop.ca. As you can see, today we did the OEM Fit running board for Mercedes ML 350. It's perfect fit, no drilling, no making extra holes. It's exact same as original. With the body of the car. If you're interested in these type of running boards, you can visit our latest website, which is sister website of Smart Road Canada, and the name is 4x4shop.ca, and you can purchase these running boards directly from that website. Thank you and have a great day. Hi, this is Fred from 4x4shop.ca. Today we installed OEM Fit running boards in a 2016 Range Rover Sport. That's the original fit. As you can see how nice is the finish on these running boards. It does have